Whether you're a pro tackling construction projects or a DIYer improving your home, the right laser tool can make every job faster, cleaner, and perfectly accurate. In this video, we bring you the 15 best laser measuring tools, including laser levels and laser distance meters, featuring green beams, dual laser designs, and reliable precision. From shelves to large builds, these tools keep everything perfectly aligned. Let's begin. When you first pick up the CD80, you notice how it tries to solve small measurement tasks that usually slow you down. You get an 80-meter laser, a digital tape, and an angle reader in one compact frame, which already removes the need to carry 3 separate tools. So when you start a layout on a floor, the area mode gives you the full calculation in one step, and that saves time when you move from one room to the next. You shift to cabinet work, and continuous mode helps because the readout updates as you slide into the perfect spacing. You adjust a shelf, and the angle mode shows the tilt right away, which means you fix the level before you drill. Anything above 5 feet becomes easier with the laser since tapes want to sag or bend, and that alone makes solo work smoother. You also replace battery stress because the USB-C cell lasts long enough for thousands of one-way shots. And its aluminium frame and ABS shell keep it safe when it bumps around a site, and the auto shutoff protects battery life without thought. Even the small 5cm side ruler helps when you work inside tight corners where a full tape becomes awkward. So the CD80 feels like a pocket tool that covers fast checks, short layouts, and angle tasks in one move, and you gain a more direct workflow without extra steps. And once you move from small checks to room scale work, the CMS04 steps into a different zone. You get 4 full 360-degree planes with green beams, which means your walls, floors, and ceilings fall under one setup without frequent repositioning. You place it on a tripod or a base, and the layout starts to feel steady because the tool self-levels within a few degrees on its own. You look at the lines across a long room, and you see accuracy within a tight 3 mm at 10 meters, which gives you confidence during tile runs, framing, or panel alignment. If you shift to stairs or railings, the manual mode helps because you lock the angle and follow the slope without guesswork. Outdoor work also feels more stable once you switch on pulse mode with a receiver, since the green lines hold up better under sunlight. The IP54 rating keeps dust and water from becoming an issue during job site work, and the LCD screen shows modes and battery level in a way that feels easy to read at a quick glance. Besides that, the Bluetooth app and remote let you change brightness or line modes while you stand away from the tool, which reduces trips back and forth. You also get 2 USB-C batteries, and each lasts long enough to finish most daily tasks without a midday charge. So the CMS04 becomes a reliable full-room tool that gives you coverage, reach, and control without extra hassle. Alright, if you've ever tackled a big construction or renovation project, you know the real headache is getting everything perfectly level without spending hours fumbling with traditional tools. That's where the Ikvowuk laser level really shines. This tool has been around for over 10 years, so it's got a solid track record. What makes it super versatile is the way it gives you both automatic and manual modes, so you can choose whichever works best for your situation. You've got 1 full 360-degree horizontal beam, plus 2 vertical green beams. And here's the thing, green beams are twice as bright as red, so you can see them even in daylight. It reaches up to 65 feet in pulse mode and keeps your accuracy spot on at about 1/8 of an inch. And that auto-leveling works within a 3-degree angle, so that you can adjust the brightness depending on the light around you. Power-wise, the 5200 mAh rechargeable battery keeps it running for 7 hours straight, so you're not constantly hunting for outlets. If you want precision but hate tripping over cords, then have a look at this DCLE 34020G laser level. It's from DeWalt. It's a cordless laser that works with the 20-volt Max system, so if you're already rocking DeWalt batteries, it just slots right in. You get a cross-line green laser with 3 beams, 1 horizontal, 2 vertical, covering a full 360 degrees. and it's accurate down to 1/8 of an inch at 30 feet. You can crank on a single 20-volt max 2-amp battery for 17 hours, which basically means you can work all day without changing power sources. There's a fine adjustment knob for precision, and the magnetic mount can handle even heavy setups. Each laser line can be controlled individually, so if you don't need all beams, you save battery. The rotating head plus the pendulum lock gives you optimized use for everything: framing, drywall, even MEP jobs. Okay, so older homes or renovation projects can be tricky because walls are rarely straight. The Skil LL-932201 makes that quite easy. It projects a bright, continuous horizontal line all the way around a room, up to 65 feet in diameter, so you don't have to keep moving your laser to get full coverage. This is perfect for hanging a bunch of pictures at the same height, putting in chair rail molding, or even lining up wallpaper perfectly. It's a red cross-line laser, so you get both horizontal and vertical references, and the self-leveling system automatically adjusts for minor wall or floor imperfections. Basically, you just place it, turn it on, and it handles the rest. It's super simple, which is great if you're a homeowner doing interior projects on your own. And even though it's affordable, it's built to last for DIY and light professional work. So when you need speed, reliability, and zero guesswork, this little laser does the job every time. Now, for those who need portability without losing power, the Huepar M03CG is worth a look. It's a mini 3D laser level that weighs just 2.81 pounds, which makes it easy to carry between jobs. Here, you get 3-plane laser projection with independent switching for horizontal and vertical lines, so you can control exactly what you see. The metal casing makes it tough enough for the job site, and the rechargeable 3.7 volt, 4000 mAh lithium battery gives you 5 to 7 hours of use, so no constant charging interruptions. Plus, it has both automatic self-leveling and manual tilt modes, and the pulse mode works with optional laser receivers for longer ranges or brighter environments. Its Type-C charging adds modern convenience. Professionals who move between tight spaces or different job sites daily will love the compact size and rugged construction, making it a smart investment for anyone who wants precision and versatility in a single, portable tool. The next one is for electrical contractors and MEP pros, so we're talking about the Klein Tools 93LCLS. It's basically a self-leveling cross-line laser with horizontal and vertical lines that you can use together or separately. Plus, it has plumb-up and plumb-down spot lasers for precise overhead positioning. The working range goes up to 150 feet, so it handles everything from small bathrooms to large warehouse projects. The 360-degree magnetic mounting bracket works with both 1/4-inch and 5/8-inch tripods, and there's even a ceiling clip for drop ceiling work. Rugged ABS housing gives IP54 water and dust resistance, and it runs on 3 AA batteries with a low battery indicator so you won't get caught mid-job. Contractors rely on Klein for tools that don't quit, and this is a perfect example. Alright, now let's talk about a laser level that proves you don't have to break the bank to get reliable accuracy. The Motovera LL-T2 is basically suited for smaller projects, and at this price it's quite capable. It's a 100-foot self-leveling laser that projects a 110-degree horizontal line and a 110-degree vertical line at the same time, so you cover most residential spaces without constantly moving it around. One of the coolest features is the 4-gear brightness adjustment. You can dial the light just right, whether you're in a dark basement or working in bright sunlight. And the green laser. It's 4 times brighter than a red beam at the same power, so visibility is never an issue. It's small, comfy to hold, has a magnetic bracket with standard 0.25-inch 20 threading, self-leveling works on slopes up to 4 degrees, and manual mode gives you angled lines. For beginners and occasional pros, it's tough to beat. Now, for those jobs that cover everything from laying a foundation to the finishing trim, you want a laser that can handle it all. The Bosch GLM165 is exactly that. It gives you 3 360-degree laser planes, 1 horizontal and 2 vertical crossing at 90 degrees. That perpendicular setup means one person can set up the whole job without needing extra hands to hold marks. The green laser is 4 times brighter than standard red beams, and the Visimax Tech keeps brightness high while protecting the laser from heat. You get a normal working range of 100 feet. Power options are flexible, either the included 12-volt lithium-ion batteries or 4 standard AA batteries. There's Bluetooth control through the Bosch Leveling Remote app, the smart pendulum self-levels and alerts you if it's off, and the CalGuard checks calibration. It's rugged with an IP54 shell, making it perfect for long, complex projects. Next on our list is the Bosch GLM165 foot green beam laser measure, designed for accurate and reliable measurements on any job site. It delivers distances up to 165 feet with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch and features a green beam laser that is up to 4 times brighter than standard red lasers for better visibility. The large backlit color display shows measurements clearly in low light or no light conditions, while the default real-time measurement mode automatically adjusts to provide accurate readings, whether the target is near or far. Built for durability, the laser measure features a full rubber overmold housing that protects major impact points, similar to a roll cage, and is IP65 rated to withstand tough job site conditions. Looking for a laser measure that works perfectly in any light, the Mileseey S50 green beam laser measure delivers long-range and accurate results. Its green beam laser is 4 times brighter than standard red lasers, making it easy to see and target points even outdoors or in low light conditions. The S50 measures up to 400 feet with plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy and delivers up to 8 readings per second for fast and consistent results. With 18 measurement modes, including point-to-point, area, volume, and indirect calculations, it adapts to any project without switching tools. 4 reference points and 8 unit options make measuring flexible, while the red side laser alignment ensures accurate layout and setup. The 2.4-inch IPS backlit display provides clear readings and rechargeable AA battery supply all-day power. The Smart Life app allows storing, syncing, and visualizing data easily. Accuracy matters on every project, and the Klein tool's laser distance measure delivers precise results from 2 inches to 100 feet. It measures with plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy for the first 30 feet and or minus 1/8 inch up to 100 feet, making it reliable for any task. Its reverse contrast LCD ensures clear readings even in low light conditions, and the compact design fits comfortably in pockets or tool pouches, with a convenient pocket clip for easy carrying around the job site. With a simple one-button operation, you can access all functions quickly, and it supports both single distance and continuous measurements for versatile use. You can also compare the latest measurement with the last 2 saved distances on the screen, while flexible unit options allow switching between inches, feet, and meters for faster calculations. This laser distance measure is compact, accurate, and easy to operate for everyday projects. To get accurate and efficient measurements, the Huepar dual laser measuring tool can be a reliable option. It allows adjustable measuring references to switch between bidirectional and unidirectional modes, reducing the need to move the device frequently and saving time on every project. The maximum bidirectional distance reaches 393 feet, with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inches, making it a reliable replacement for traditional laser tape measures. The green beam laser is up to 4 times brighter than standard red lasers, and the backlit LCD screen displays clear data even in low or no light. The screen rotates automatically in 4 directions for easy viewing. This tool provides 9 measurement modes, including distance, area, volume, angle, and 4 Pythagorean modes. It stores up to 100 datasets, supports addition and subtraction, and has continuous measurement for midpoint, maximum, and minimum values. Accuracy matters in every measurement, and the Hanmatek laser measure delivers high reliability and stability with laser technology. It measures distances up to 196 feet with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch and allows switching between feet, inches, and meters for flexible use. The device features 2 bubble levels and an auto calibration function to ensure stable and consistent measurements. The large backlit LCD screen provides clear visibility in dark environments. This laser measure supports multiple functions including distance, area, length, volume, continuous measurement, Pythagorean method using 3 points, addition, and subtraction, and stores up to 99 datasets. For fast and reliable measurements, the Elitech laser measuring tool can measure distances up to 165 feet with an accuracy of plus or minus 2 millimeters, or about 1/16 inch, in just half a second. The steady laser dot ensures consistent results even at long ranges, making it ideal for layouts, renovations, and furniture placement. This tool offers versatile measurement modes, including single, continuous, area, volume, and Pythagorean functions. It also supports addition and subtraction, switching reference points, and multiple units such as meters, feet, inches and decimals, and feet with inches and fractions. All these features come at an affordable price, providing great value. The bright backlit screen allows easy reading in any light, and key sound feedback ensures confident operation. Compact and portable, it fits in a pocket and can be used at home, on-site, or while on the go. And that wraps up our list of the 15 best laser measuring tools for pros and DIYers. Whether you need a precise laser level or a fast laser distance measure, the right tool can save time, boost accuracy, and make every project easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tool reviews and guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.